there. Now this warm-up can be done before any workout or as a workout itself if you're just starting out. Now the purpose of a warm-up is to get your heart rate up, get your muscles and joints moving, so that you're ready for exercise so that you can prevent injury. All right, so you can do it before any workout, cardio or strength workout, or even stretching. All right, so Mom, you want to have a seat?
Well, thank you very much.
I
think I will.
Yeah, and we're just going to get started, okay? We're just going to lightly march it out, waking up our body, get the blood flowing, okay?
Get your heart pumping.
Get your heart pumping.
Get your brain ready.
That's right. That's
Get
right.
those gray cells awake.
Oh yes, everybody, let's go. Get that blood flowing through your body and to your brain.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Very, very nice. All right. Give me some nice heel touches forward. Whew. Yes. Okay. And I want you to have really good posture. I always talk about it.
You didn't say that. We'd worry
Ears,
about you.
shoulders, hips in alignment. Enables your joints to move in an optimal manner. Okay. All right. March it out. Good. Good work. Nice work. I want you to do some step outs now. Step it out to the right. Yeah. Yep, step it out. You can do anything you want with these arms.
The chicken arms.
Okay, well, I like that. Chicken arms. I'll do the chicken arms with my mom. Okay. And good work. You feel yourself getting warmed up already?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Anytime you move your arms and legs.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Okay, march it out. Get those arms going. Very, very nice. Okay. We're going to take a little break from the feet movement and we'll do some nice head tilts to the right, ear to shoulder, center, ear to shoulder, left, and center. Just one more time, ear to shoulder. Ooh, you probably feel that nice stretch in your neck muscles. And center, and to the left, and center, and let's look to our right. Ooh, feel that nice stretch?
Yeah.
Good. And center. Look to
Your neck carries your big old bowling ball. You know?
That's right. More than 10 pounds. One more time, right? And center. And left. And center. Let's give me like single shoulder rolls back. Single ones. Yeah, single. 2, 3, 4. Let's reverse it.
You're getting pretty fancy here. You usually do double.
Oh, I'm gonna switch it up for you. Good work. All right, very, very, very nice. Okay, very nice. Now, let's do that side reach to the right. Nice work. And other side. Good. And give me 2 more. To the right. And to the left. Good work. Okay, nice little open close with the arms. We're gonna open it and close and open and close, right? 2 more, open and close, and 1 more, open, and close. Very, very nice. Okay, now let's give some love to our feet and our ankles,
okay.
All right? Now, if you're standing, you can hold on to something, or you can just do a balance move here. Just do point and flex the feet. Okay, nice. Wake up those ankles.
Yeah.
Okay, wake those ankles. Okay, give some nice little circles. Yes. Good work. And reverse whichever direction you were in. Okay, and down. Let's get the other side going. Point and flex. Point, flex. If you're standing with me, this is a real balance move too.
Yeah, that's true.
We're working our...
Trying to show off. It's okay, let me show off.
Working our legs.
We're
oh my
comfy in
God.
our chair.
Okay, reverse it. I'm concentrating, I'm gonna lose it. Here we go. And down. Ooh, wow, that felt good. Okay, just give me some nice little high marches here. Ooh, weight shifting here. Weight shift. That probably feels very, very good. Okay, good work. And now, even if you're in the chair, let's try to do some nice little gentle hip circles, okay? So you really just kind of, just moving it around. You feel your butt and your hips moving around there, okay, in the chair.
Give it a little massage.
Yep. Massage those glutes. Okay, reverse it. With those hips. Very nice. Oh, that feels really good.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Okay, let's give some love to our hands now, okay? Fists, open, close, open, close, open, close. Give me one more. Open and close. Okay, good. Give me some nice little hey, hey hands. Hey, hey. All right, nice, nice, nice. And some circles. Ooh, that feels good in your wrist, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And reverse. And very nice. Okay, give me 3 inhales and exhales up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. And one more. Inhale and exhale. All right. Ooh, that feels good. Really nice job in this warm up. We're ready for our workout.